Have you ever wondered how traffic cameras or parking systems automatically recognize vehicle number plates? In this video, we'll build an automatic number plate recognition ANPR system using C#, OpenCV, and Tesseract OCR. By the end of this video, you'll have a working C# application that can detect and extract text from vehicle license plates. Let's get started. First, let's set up our C# project in Visual Studio. Open Visual Studio and create a console application or Windows Forms app, depending on how you want the UI. Now, we need to install a few dependencies. OpenCV Emgu to CV for image processing, Tesseract OCR for text recognition. Now, we need to load the image and pre-process it to improve OCR accuracy. We'll convert the image to grayscale, apply edge detection, and extract the license plate region. This converts the image to grayscale, making it easier for edge detection in the next step. Now, let's apply canny edge detection to find the number plate in the image. Then, we'll use contour detection to locate the rectangular region that looks like a license plate. This code detects edges and finds the contour that resembles a license plate. Now, let's extract the number plate region and process it with Tesseract OCR. Tesseract OCR extracts the text from the plate. If the recognition isn't accurate, try image pre-processing techniques like thresholding and noise removal to improve the results. Now that we have the license plate region, let's crop it and pass it through Tesseract OCR to extract the text. As you can see, the system successfully detects the number plate and extracts the text. You can enhance this further by integrating it with a database for vehicle tracking.